game was never about proving himself.
It was about control. Every throw, every move, carefully measured, because when you know what's inside you, you can't afford to let it out all at once. Now everybody's watching, whispers, phones, headlines, they all want to know who Javar is. But he already knows, he's known since the day his father took that needle. What they call talent is something deeper, something built, something he has to hide even from his own team. The real game's not on the field anymore. It's how long he can keep the truth from getting out.